In the depths of the Black Forest, where sunlight dared not to tread, the air was thick with the whispers of ancient trees and the chill of foreboding secrets. It was a place that bred both awe and trepidation, where time seemed to stretch and twist like the gnarled branches above, reaching towards some hidden eternity. Among the shadows that danced around the forest floor, there existed a creature whose presence defied the somber tapestry of the woods, a single butterfly. Its wings, a haunting contrast of midnight blue and iridescent silver, shimmered like a fragment of the moon caught in the web of night. This butterfly was not of ordinary make. It was said to be the last of its kind, a species known only to the few souls who dared traverse the forest's depths. Legend claimed it held the power to navigate the labyrinth of shadows, a guardian of lost travelers, or a warning to those who overstayed their welcome. Ewan, a young cartographer driven by rumors of untouched lands, found himself entranced by tales of the butterfly. The allure of the untamed wilderness sang a song he couldn't ignore. With map in hand, he ventured into the forest, following trails long forgotten and pathways obscured by time. Days turned into nights, and the forest began to weave its spell over him. The silence was a symphony, and each rustle of leaves was a verse in a story yet to be told. And then, as he stumbled upon a clearing bathed in a glow knot of the sun, there it was, the mystical butterfly, alighting on a worn stone altar, its wings pulsing with an ethereal light. Yet, as Ewan approached, the butterfly took flight, guiding him deeper into the heart of mystery. His resolve wavered between fear and the thrill of the unknown as shadows of tall trees knitted tighter around him. Every step felt like a journey across worlds, and the forest around him swelled with life and secrets. Unbeknownst to Ewan, he had become part of a story older than the forest itself, a tale of those who sought and never returned, forever entwined with the fate of the butterfly, a keeper of secrets, a silent witness to the passage of time. And as the last light of its wings flickered out of sight, Ewan knew he would have to decide: embrace the enigma and uncover its truths, or become yet another whisper in the depths of the Black Forest.